is a software testing interview, okay? And now I am asking some questions based on manual testing especially. They will answer one by one, okay? The first question is that introduce yourself.
Good evening, sir. Firstly, thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Sakshi Dangar. I have completed my graduation and post-graduation from University of Kota. I am from Rajasthan and currently I am living in Indore and preparing myself for entering into IT sector as a software tester.
Okay. Why you choose software testing field?
Sir, I have keen interest in software field, so testing field, so that's why I'm doing internship from Shiva Concept Solution Indore.
Okay. You have any idea about software technologies or software industry before joining the courses?
No, sir. Before joining, I don't have any
What
idea.
What is your education qualification?
Post-graduation in commerce background.
Post-graduation means you are belonging from non-tech background.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So my first question is this: what is software? How to define it?
Software, yes, sir. Software is used to perform a task.
Okay. Which type of task?
For the particular task for which the software has been developed.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Means suppose that how many softwares do you know? How many type of softwares do you know? Type of software, you can explain it?
Yes, sir. Application software, system software, programming software.
Okay. Suppose that you have tested the application, then which type of software you have tested? किस टाइप के सॉफ्टवेयर में आपने टेस्ट किया?
एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर सर.
एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर आपने टेस्ट किया. इन एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर वेब एप्लीकेशंस और डेस्कटॉप एप्लीकेशन?
Web desktop applications.
You have tested the desktop applications.
Yes.
Which desktop application you have tested?
So eRoom Rent.
I think that eRoom Rent, it is a web application, no? Because it open under the web browsers.
Yes, sir. Sorry.
Okay, so this is a web application. So means you have tested in web applications. Okay. Can you tell me what will be the test cases for keyboard?
Keyboard. Oh, yes, sir. So firstly, sir, we will test the UI part, means user interface part. So we will check the requirement. According to that, we'll test that it is properly visible to the customer. Like its length and width should be according to the requirement of the customer. Every button should be proper displayable. And then we check the functionality, like A to Z. Numerical keys are processing according to their requirement, and alphabetical letters are also according to the requirement. And we check the combination keys, like they should also work properly, and and then non-functional testing, like if we are giving a load to the then how it is behaving.
Okay.
Yes.
So that is the test cases for keyboard. Okay. Combination of keys also you will check, no?
Yes, sir.
How many type of keys exist on keyboard?
Numeric keys, alphabetical keys, combination keys.
Okay. And functional key also?
Yes, sir. Function.
You know shortcut to print any web page. Suppose that I want to open print dialog. So what will be the shortcut to open the print dialog?
So I think Control P.
Control P.
Yes.
And for cut operations?
Cut operation. Control X.
Control X. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Suppose that Control X is not working properly. This is a bug, defect or error. What will be this? If I am pressing Control X in keyboard,
yes, sir.
then Control X is not working.
Yes, sir.
So this is a bug, a defect or error.
So sir, if a tester tests the application and if requirement is mismatching according to the expected result, so it is a bug. And if the developer approves the bug, that it is a genuine bug, so it will be a defect.
It is a defect.
Yes, sir.
Control X is not working means this is a defect.
Yes, sir.
Okay. It's not a bug.
Yes, sir. But sir, requirement is we will check the requirement. So what
And
task?
everybody knew that control X for cut. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Everybody knew the requirement is pre-decided, na?
Okay, sir.
But it is not working.
Okay.
Means it is a genuine bug.
Okay, sir.
Then it is called defect.
Okay, sir. Yeah.
Okay. Means this is a confirmed, na? Confirmed bug means defect.
Yes, sir.
If bug maybe means bug is not confirmed, that is then it is only bug.
Okay,
If
sir.
it is confirmed, then that is called defect.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is the software testing life cycle?
Yes, sir.
Can you explain it?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So software testing life cycle is one of the phases of software development life cycle, which has 5 phases of testing a software, which is the requirement and test planning, test design, test case execution, test environment setup, test case execution, and then test closure.
Test closure. Okay.
Yes, sir.
First phase, what you have said?
Requirements.
I think the requirement analysis,
Yes.
not the
Sorry.
requirement. Both are the
Yes.
different things. The requirement means requirement taken by the developers, no?
Yes, sir.
Or analyst.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So what is the difference between test case design and test case execution?
Test case design and execution. So, sir, I have to tell the parameters or?
No. Suppose that in phase of STLC,
Yes, sir.
after requirement analysis you will planning, after
Planning.
the test case designing.
Yes, sir.
Okay, after test case designing you will environment setup, then test case execution. Then what the differences between test case design and test case execution?
Design and execution. So, yes, sir. In test case design, we will design. Firstly, we plan means the requirements we have planned. So, in design, we prepare the test cases and test scenarios according to the planning we have done.
Okay.
And in one more, sir.
Test case execution.
So, the test case will be executed in test case execution phase.
So suppose that I am creating test case report. Okay.
Yes.
So how many parameters of test case report will be developed during test case design, and how many parameters of test case report will be developed under the test case execution?
So, sir, names are
Yes, name of parameters.
Okay, sir. Test case design.
Yes.
Yes. So, sir, firstly project name,
Okay.
version of the project,
Okay.
if any precondition is there, so, and executed by, executed date, created by, created date, and
Executed by and executed date. I think that this is the parameters for test case execution. This parameter will fill during the test case execution.
yes, sir, but okay,
Yeah,
sir.
you can write it
Yes,
blank. Right?
blank, sorry.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
And
So, test scenarios, test case ID, test case description, expected result. So, it is design phase. And in execution, we will fill the field actual result, test case result, priority, and comment.
priority and comment. Severity.
Severity, sir, we will define in bug report, I think.
In test case report, if we want to define, then it can be possible. or
Yes,
not?
sir, possible.
So what is the difference between priority and severity?
Yes, sir. So, firstly, severity. So, severity is the impact of the defect on the functionality of the application.
Okay.
So, it will be known as severity. And priority is the urgency of the defect, like which defect should get solved first. So, it will depend on the priority, like high, medium, or low priority.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
You can give the any example where low priority and high severity.
Yes, sir. So, 1 second.
Yeah.
Low priority and
high
high
severity.
severity. Okay. So, sir, if an application is crashing in some random cases, means the customer is not visiting that pages frequently,
Okay.
and the application is crashing there. So, its severity will be high because it's affecting the functionality or business. But priority will be low because customer is frequently visiting that page.
Okay.
So we will
that
be-
is the example.
Yes, high priority and low severity.
Okay. Another question. Okay.
Yes.
Based on type of testing. So what is the level of testing?
Levels of testing. Okay, so there are four levels of software testing. That is unit testing, integration testing, system testing, and user acceptance testing.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
What you will do under user acceptance testing?
In user acceptance testing, after completion of the system testing, user acceptance testing is the fourth phase and last phase. So we will check the requirement, if it is built according to the customer requirement or not. We will verify that thing.
So who will do user acceptance testing?
Yes, sir. User acceptance testing is done by the customers before releasing the product to the real time end users, for the end users.
What is the difference between build and release?
Yes, sir. 1 second, sir. Build is when we call build, when developer gives it to the tester. So build have iterations of testing, and yes, sir, build is iteration of testing can be done on that. So when developer give it to the tester, so it will be known as build. And when every test case has been applied and no bug is remained open, then we will release it to the end user. So then it will be known as release of the software product.
Okay.
Yes.
That's good.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you know about state transition testing?
State transition. Yes, sir.
What is state transition?
Yes, sir. So it is a type of technique which we use in performing our test cases, in testing. So in a state transition technique, we have multiple states of the result. So for each, so that depends on the input variables we are feeding. So the state changes according to the input we are feeding in the application.
Any examples?
Yes.
You can explain it?
Yes, sir. State transition. So for example, we are ATM machine, if we are swiping our ATM card, so we are given 3 chances to enter a valid PIN number.
Okay.
If we are entering, first time we are swiping the card and entering valid PIN number, so it will be done. And if we are entering the incorrect PIN, so it will give us second chance. And in second chance, if we are again entering right PIN number, so it will be process will be continue. And if in second chance also we are entering incorrect PIN number, so third chance will be provided. And if in third chance we do not enter incorrect PIN, then the card will be blocked. So the state changes according to the input variables we are providing.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Okay, another question is that what is the bug leakage and bug release? What is the difference between both of them?
Bug leakage and bug. Okay, sir. So bug leakage is when the QA team is unable to find the bug, and the bug will be found by the end users. So it will be a bug leakage. And another, sir?
Bug release.
Bug release. Okay. So bug release will be a condition where we know that it is a bug, and we are releasing. Then also we are releasing the product in the market for the end users. So it will be a bug release. So it is not affecting much functionality. We can solve it in another release, next release.
Another builder.
And it is known by the customers also, client also.
Okay. ठीक है, आपका ऑल ओवर इंटरव्यू अच्छा है, आपने अच्छे से प्रिपेयर किया है मेरे ख्याल से. ठीक है, मेरे ख्याल से फैकल्टीज ने भी अच्छा पढ़ाया. फैकल्टीज कैसा पढ़ाया आपको? अच्छा पढ़ाया सर. शिवम सर अच्छे हैं सारे. प्रियंका मैम कैसा है? विजयनगर सेंटर का एनवायरनमेंट कैसा है? बहुत अच्छा है सर. प्रियंका मैम भी अच्छे हैं, जावा पढ़ा रहे हैं. अच्छा. सभी के एनवायरनमेंट सभी अच्छे? यस सर, सबका नेचर बहुत अच्छा है. ठीक है. बहुत बढ़िया. अच्छा, आप पढ़ते भी रहते हो? आप मैं लैब में देखता भी हूँ, जब मैं आता हूँ तो आप पढ़ते रहते हो? यस सर. ठीक है, अच्छा है. देखो, ऐसे मेहनत करते रहो. आप मैनुअल तो आपने अच्छा कर लिया है, थोड़ा सा प्रैक्टिकल आपने प्रोजेक्ट भी टेस्ट किए होंगे, लाइव प्रोजेक्ट. ठीक है, हमारे कंपनी के थ्रू जो प्रोजेक्ट आपको दिए होंगे लाइव में, क्या प्रोजेक्ट करवाया आपको सर ने? सर ई रूम रेंट है, एक शिवा कॉन्सेप्ट सॉल्यूशन, शिवा कॉन्सेप्ट डिजिटल और एक फिक्समैन. अच्छा. यस सर. ठीक है. मतलब इतने सारे प्रोजेक्ट आपने टेस्ट किया, मतलब प्रैक्टिकली आपने टेस्ट किया? यस सर. टेस्ट केस रिपोर्ट में ई रूम रेंट में और फिक्स में. कितने टेस्ट केसेस आपने बनाए? सर इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी ऑफ द एप्लीकेशन. बाकी जो व्यूअर्स हैं उनको आप क्या बोलना चाहोगे? जैसे जो आपका इंटरव्यू देखा है, उनको क्या बोलना चाहोगे टेस्टिंग के लिए? मतलब शिवा कॉन्सेप्ट सॉल्यूशन को रिफर करना चाहेंगे कि नहीं? यस सर, बेस्ट है. अच्छा. ठीक है, चलिए. अब बहुत अच्छा है, आपका मैनुअल टेस्टिंग आपने अच्छे से किया. ठीक है। अब आगे आप अच्छे से जावा और ऑटोमेशन टेस्टिंग का भी हम इंटरव्यूज आपका लेंगे, ठीक है। और इसमें जैसे ये हमारा इंटरव्यू का मोटिव ये है कि जिससे आपके अंदर जैसे क्या रहता है कि फर्स्ट टाइम यदि आप डमी इंटरव्यू फेस करते हैं तो बाद में आप जब लाइव इंटरव्यू फेस करेंगे तो उसमें कोई दिक्कत नहीं आएगी और आपका कॉन्फिडेंस उससे बूस्टअप ही होगा, ठीक है।